Hello everyone. Today this is the second part of the Betty Crocker oven, and today I'm gonna be doing cinnamon rolls. And these, they say that they require 350 degrees, 325. 2 inches apart, baking 18 to 20 minutes. And it says to put a cookie sheet, but what I'm gonna do is, instead of a cookie sheet, I'm gonna put some oil. Could be coconut oil, or it could be vegetable oil on the bottom of the pan. And then I'm gonna open the can and put the cookies there. So let me put the oil first. That's the thing I'm gonna do. Okay, so I put a little bit of olive oil in the center of the pan, and then I'm going to use a paper towel to make sure it covers the whole area. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to move it around. And it's going to be covering the whole area of the pan, so the cinnamon rolls won't stick. And the next thing, I'm gonna open the can and cut the cinnamon rolls and put them on the oven. You could do this on any room of the house, you know. You could do it even on your room, on your bedroom if you want. But since in the bathroom there's a window, if there's too much steam coming out of it, I could open the window and it will go through there. So that's why I'm using the bathroom for it. Also can use the kitchen too, but I do it here to show you that it can be done anywhere in the house, even in the closet if you like. Actually, you don't need a can opener to open this. You know, it brings instructions on how to do it. You know, you're supposed to use a spoon and open it to the sides. Wow, I didn't know that. But I already used the can opener for it. Actually, here's where you peel it off. On this side right here. So that's what I'm going to be doing now. Actually, I cut it in half using the knife. And now I'm trying to peel it off, so I could cut the cinnamon buns. Now I'm peeling the cardboard. And on the bottom I see like a little space where I think the dressing is. So the dressing comes on the bottom, and then the other part brings the cinnamon buns. Okay, it came out handy to do it in the restroom because I wash my hands here a lot now. Because it's kind of messy to open one of these things, especially if you do it for the first time. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to preheat the oven. I got some things that fell there. Take them off. Yeah, you don't want any foreign material. So I put it in the garbage can. And now what I'm gonna do is preheat the oven. So I'm gonna connect it. So the oven is connected, and now I'm gonna start putting cutting the cinnamon buns and putting them there. Alright, so that's the icing right there in the container, which I'm gonna put after they're cooked. And I already put the cut cinnamon buns there. So now the next thing to do is to seal it. Actually, this thing heats out from, I believe, from the top too, for what I see. It's pretty much a little heat. Now I'm gonna close it. I'm gonna be checking it like every 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Okay, so the oven already reached its maximum temperature, which I believe is around 400, and it's starting to smell really good in here. So it has been like around 4 minutes, and I'm going to use one of these gloves to open the oven. Oh yeah, they are growing. Oh my god. So it doesn't matter how you cut them, you know. If they come out a little messed up, you know, you put them there and finally they're gonna come out round. Let's wait. Only 4 minutes and they're already huge. Okay, so it's been like 5 minutes, over 5 minutes, and it started to smoke a little, so I'm gonna disconnect the oven. I'm gonna disconnect it because I don't want it to burn, because this oven produces too much heat. So I'm gonna just leave it covered like that for another 5 minutes. And I think they're gonna be done in 10 minutes. Wow, that's awesome for what I see. Okay, so this is the icing. So the icing, I believe I could break it with my finger here. You have something here that you can break it with your finger. If not, I'm gonna use the knife. And I wanna wait another couple minutes. Still smoking a little bit, but it's already disconnected and the pressure is coming down. So I wanna wait another couple minutes, and then I'm gonna add the icing on top to all of them and close it again. So the icing will be cooking on top of it. Alright, so this is how I rip the icing, actually from the side. And now I'm gonna open the oven. I'm gonna start adding the icing to the cinnamon buns. So this is what it looked like after like around 7 minutes. Only 7 minutes. Maybe 10 because I turned it off at around 5 minutes, and I waited like 5 minutes. So now I'm gonna add the icing to them. So the icing is gonna be like this. I'm gonna use probably the knife to cover the entire top of the cinnamon buns. I don't want to run out of icing here. So I'm like spreading each of them a little bit in the middle, and then I'm going to spread it with the knife. That's what I'm going to do. This one too. It's small, so it doesn't need that much. Okay, looks good. Now this one. Yeah, I think I have plenty of icing. I thought I was gonna run out of icing, but no, I got plenty. There's plenty for the whole thing. Now this one. Exactly the same amount. Come on, go in there, go in there. Alright. Yeah, I'm holding the camera with one hand, and with the other one I'm putting the icing on the cinnamon buns. So this is a hell of a mission. Okay. So I believe, wow, look at the icing, it's melting all over them. Cool. But there's plenty of icing. So this is how the icing came out. It's kind of weird, huh? Okay, so let's see now what I'm gonna do with the knife. Alright, so I'm gonna get the knife now, and I'm gonna move the icing a little bit around. You know, so we cover the bun better. We actually spill all over the side. You know, it's coming out really nice. Ooh, you gotta do this quick. Just spill into the sides. It's coming out nice and even. Maybe if I use another different type of knife, it would be better. But I'm using the same knife that I used to cut them. So the same knife that I used to cut them is doing a good job. Yeah, so they look good. look good. That's the empty container where the icing came from. And I'm gonna close it and I'm gonna let it cool down there. If you want, you could heat them up for like a minute more, and then turn it back off. That's what I'm gonna do, so they will be warm. All right, so I gave it like a minute. I'm gonna disconnect it. And now let's see what it look like. Let's see. Oh, a minute I think was too much. So maybe I should have given maybe 20 seconds. But they're looking good. They're looking good. The icing is getting inside of it really nice. So, yummy. So that's it. It should be done. Let's wait 5 more minutes to let them cool down, and then we check them out again. All right, so I let them sit for like around 3-4 minutes, and ooh, smoking. They look gorgeous. Look at that. Oh my God. Look at that, how beautiful it looks. They came out delicious. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get each of them with a spatula, and I'm gonna put them in my container so I can put them in the fridge, and they will keep fresh for like a couple days. I'm probably gonna eat all that in like maybe a couple days. So that's it. Thank you, enjoyed the video, and subscribe and like.